Honestly, I can't believe that Ramadan is around the corner. I've literally come up with so many new recipes and videos which I'm going to share soon up until Ramadan comes. But one thing I had to do is recreate this leftover chicken and gochujang pasta which I used to always make in Ramadan last year. These are all of the ingredients that I use, and a lot of them are optional as well. So to start off, chop up your onions and your peppers and cook them together for 1 to 2 minutes in some olive oil. Once your veggies look a little bit like this, I fold it by adding in some tomato puree. The tomato puree does add some colour, but if you don't have that, then you can just use a tomato tin if you want, or even some fresh tomatoes. The next ingredient I'm adding is double cream, but you can use single cream as well if you want. When you're adding the double cream, make sure the heat is low as you don't want it to start boiling. Once the cream is in and it's been simmering for a couple of minutes, I added in the gochujang paste. If you don't have any gochujang paste, then I recommend that you just add a bit more of your tomato puree. I also ended up adding in the rest of the tub of double cream as I felt like it needed it. Just before adding in the chicken, you can definitely add in some more spices and seasonings into the sauce that you added to the chicken. But I just wanted most of the flavour to come from the cooked chicken and the gochujang paste. Once chicken's been added, I just let it simmer for a couple of minutes before adding in the boiled pasta. Make sure to mix that well together. I followed it by adding on some cheddar cheese, and that's literally how I made the dish. Also, if you do want to make this, the recipe will be in the caption.